Hello boys and girls. Today we are doing our last KidStir for a while. So we're going to do Star Wars theme because May the 4th is coming up. And so the first thing we're going to do is the Light Saber. So you will get your pretzel rod. And I took a little shortcut and did part of this morning because this has to set a little bit so I can do the other end. So you will get your pretzel rod and your icing, well not icing, I'm sorry, your candy bar. So get your grown-up to help you melt that in your microwave or however you want to do it. You can spread that on, and then you will have some colored sugar. So while that's melted, then you'll just roll it in your sugar. You may have to do a little bit with your hand to get it to go on there just right, or a spoon or whatever works. You guys are so creative. You all can teach us a thing or two. So you'll roll that around and get as much sugar on there as you need. And you'll have different colors. Okay, so then this will be your Light Saber. You'll have your little dot here to put that on. So that'll be one of the things that we're going to do. And then the next thing we're going to do is a Chewbacca Cookie. Now, Miss Kathy made some gingerbread men that are supposed to be like Chewbacca. They have little lines through them. Well, mine this morning broke, and yours may break, but if it does, you can just put it back together, and you will get some icing to make like your little banner across the front here like this. And I tried to do this a little bit ahead of time too. So we'll put the banner on, and actually that's going to work very well right there because that'll take care of where that broke. So we'll smear that on there, and that'll hold it together. And you will have some chocolate chips for your eyes. I didn't have any right now, so I am using what I have, which is a black jelly bean. And then you will have some little beads, or you may have white chocolate chips. I'm not sure if we have enough of these beads for everybody, but you'll have something in there to make your little banner. And then you can just decorate it the way you want. And there is your Chewbacca cookie. And it is a gingerbread cookie. So for those that like gingerbread. And then the last thing we're going to do is our Yoda Soda. So you will have your glass, and you're going to get a little piece of material, and you can fold it down. And you just clip it in the back with a toothpick once you get it wrapped around there how you want it. And then you will have two pieces of lime and some blueberries, because your eyes are going to be the blueberries. And you will have your toothpick, and you will put that on like that. And then you might want to have your grown-up help you with that because that is a little bit sharp. And we'll put this other one on here. These limes smell so good. This one's not going to go in there as good. But we'll get it in there. One end of this toothpick is a little sharper than the other. And then you will have your, it's actually Hawaiian Punch, and it's green. The one, when you get it, it's going to be frozen, so that way it won't spill in the car. And so you'll fill that up. You might want to let it set out long enough to thaw out. And then put this like this. And then you have your little, looks like Yoda. And you will probably do a little bit better than Miss Kathy's doing this morning because this is not staying on there real good. but you get the general idea how that's going to look. So we hope you guys have a great day. We've had so much fun doing this, and we will probably pick up again, I think September maybe. We'll get through the summer, and I hope that you guys will still continue to create things at home. And anytime you want to make things and send to Miss Libby or I over the summer that you've done, we would love to see what you've learned to do on your own. Well, hope you all have a great day. Okay, boys and girls, so we had 19 entries for our drawing for the 2 waffle irons. And the 2 winners that we have, one is Emmett Dexter, and the other is Fox Green. Now, we've ordered the waffle irons, and we're hoping that they will be in this week. So Miss Libby will call you and let you know for sure, but we're hoping they're in today, and that way you can just pick it up tomorrow when you pick up your KidStir. And we really appreciate everybody that's played around with all the food items and come up with your own creations, because you all have done a fabulous job, and this has been a lot of fun for Miss Libby and me to do. So I hope you all keep up your skills until we get ready to meet again back in September. You all have a great day.